Our imaginations have been key to social, cultural, and technological development. And indeed, they've contributed to the challenges we face today. But our capacity to imagine can really be so critical for helping us to find our way through these challenges, not the least of which is the global environmental challenge that we face as a species. As storytellers, we use fiction to imagine the past as well as the future. Science fiction is one way to imagine alternative futures that I believe holds promise to actually help us to not only imagine, but also co-create together more just, sustainable, and diverse futures. Science fiction can let us dream, it can challenge us, and it can point out absurdities and highlight things that we take for granted in contemporary society. To head towards these different and perhaps better, hopefully better futures, we have to be able to imagine what those futures look like, sound like, how they smell, how they feel, and what the impacts and implications of different types of change that we're experiencing right now might be in the future. While conducting my PhD research at the Stockholm Resilience Centre, part of Stockholm University, I was part of this large interdisciplinary research project that brought together scientists from all over the world to predict the future ocean. Participating in that project led me to ask some questions that fell into the abyss between what we can confidently say with the best marine science, what we can predict, and imaginative but much more speculative thinking about the future of the ocean that is quite detached from the science. So where was the bridge between what we knew and what we don't know, the known and unknown? And how can we connect what we know to what it means for humanity and other species? I found science fiction prototyping to be a way to begin to bridge that gap and think about, in my case, the possible futures of fisheries and the global ocean. This approach offered a way to structure creative thinking about the future ocean while accounting for some of the dynamics of systems that we study in sustainability science. The fact that change happens both fast and slow, sometimes at the same time, that there's cascading effects, so think of dominoes, really radical uncertainty and surprise. So I created 4 diverse narrative scenarios of the future ocean. And at the Uncertain Horizon exhibition at WAM in Turku, Finland, you will get to experience one such radical ocean future, a story about how we brought the oceans back from the brink. Thank you.